I love being a part of this ministry. Not only do I get to pour back into relationships, but I also get to witness the miracles that happen due to this ministry. And without it, my relationship right now that I have would be completely different. I wouldn't have a relationship with a good, solid foundation. I wouldn't have a relationship with the ability to communicate and to resolve conflict.
We have a group of people around us who support us. They hold us accountable. They are like-minded. We have spiritual leaders that help us in ministering to other people, ministering to each other, and also our children. Our children have a more solid foundation. They've got a happier home. And we wouldn't have those things if it weren't for this ministry. We started our marriage in the room for CIR, and it has been by far the best thing that we could have ever done for our relationship.